Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to solve a Rubik's Cube edge. First, you want to know that the centers are always the same. Orange is the opposite of red. Blue is the opposite of green. White is the opposite of yellow. First, you're going to focus on the green, orange, on the blue, red, green, orange sides. Since they're opposite, I'm just going to flick these down to solve them. So there's the orange and the red solved. Now, I'm going to do the same with the other sides. That and that. And it does not mess up any of the other sides. Now, we're going to focus on the yellow and the white side. So first, I'm going to want to find one of these missing spots. I'm going to pull these back. And then I'm going to twist these. Hold on, let me make it a little bit straight. Okay, and then I'm going to twist these until it reaches the right color. So white goes to white. And now I'm going to do the bottom. Do the same thing. White goes to white. Now I'm going to flick it up again. And then we have one more to go. Flick it down. Down. And then since this side is already solved, we're just going to do this side. There we go. And then it's solved. Really easy. No algorithms and really short. And yeah, that's how you solve the Rubik's Cube edge.